This is Ground Media UG.
Steady.
6 years down the road to missing radio.
We will never forget this man. Every time this day happens, Nemba City, Uganda City, I feel down.
Yes.
This man was not only my friend, he was my brother. We shared a lot. He was a genius. He was an intellectual masterpiece of a human being, not only in music, about everything in life. So, he was informed about almost everything.
Okay.
So we lost him 6 years ago. We will never, it's hard to replace such a person. It will take us maybe like 50 years. It's been hard. We have never replaced them. He was really gifted. He was a musical forever, every time. So memories in Chama mutu aitu badena briefly before naera tujja kucelebrate kuba munaibu ebulamu omuntu azali wera naga nabane katonda, but we know wherever he is, he's happy, smiling down on us, because this is what you know yogeranga bitugamba nga nze ndi wakabi manaita mumanyi moja kuntegera nga mfudde. He used to say these things era we yafa tekata abantu bamutegera even more. So we celebrate his legacy, we celebrate his art, because he was one of a kind. Ate yali musajja mulungi if you knew him, because amu yali abazoganya naye amuteba mutegeranga nga mumanyi naye nga he's going to be here for eternity. Talivaawo music we wali mungi nyo mumulira wena utulaga mmotoka yange tava mmotoka zammwe, everyone's playlist has their music.
Omuntu ayinza ogamba for the 6 years atufiiriddwa aba celebrities bangi, but why is it that every time it reaches we celebrate radio? What was so special?
Yayina amaki amasanyalaze ge gatusika netujjanga wano every year every time. Bwengende jinja bwengende mbale bwengende mbalala enyimba za radio bwembera mu governor nyimba za radio zisinga okuvuga nezisinga nezafa abakyali abaki abalamu agomanyi kabaka radio omulamirembe neto wa omulamirembe okyatutwala.
That's true.
Abakyali wo kyakola ki
akyatutwala
kabaka Moses.
That's everything.
Omuntu yandyebuuzizza for the 6 years we have been without radio, what is the music industry missing?
A big time. It misses a game. He was like the one of the best or the best. Music amu missinga. Si music yeka ensi yonna olaba mwete mwategeranga birabe twaberanga. You see mjagala mulabe clip ndoza mulaba nga line Bobby Wine ku nyanja. I was the director and producer of that show, The Ghetto President. So twanyumyanga bingi other than music that would move the nation, and some of those videos we are pitching now to the government and they are listening. There were some of his words and some of his things. So karamu munzo kubanga temwamutegera that level nti he was a genius si mu music yeka naye ngo omuntu obwongo omuntu ategera buli kimu mu nsi. He was one of the guys yali alert buli kimu kati omutego ali gwesera nnyo. So si music yeka ya missing ngensi manyi wabera icon ate usually ba icon adela mu seza fezikula bamanyi abagenze kati ngaye we ali teri ayimbye music gwa ayimbye banga yali wetono nti kikyaliwo. So imagine if he was with us like 10 more years before he went. So kati wina kati ekirungi Muganda Frank Sanchiza, the legacy is here to Demunda. It's really clean, our cans is here, everything in stack. So this legacy is going to grow bigger and bigger and bigger by the day, and we celebrate to twaga nabala by militating radio, inspiring abantu abalala. Ekirungi ayina abaana tujja kuba tubala masse probably mukama tu omukubo n'abaana ekitone kyatatawe. So we are optimistic to the positive, but tumanyi nti ekitufu kirijja kubanga tukyamumisinga kuba yagenda suddenly nga tetwetegese nga muto nena Bob Marley webali ba MJ bona babera, but tino kwe kumakuma na tusanyuka celebrating a legacy and keeping a chimcho intact. Mbadde ngamba Frank akoze omulimu gw'amaanyi si byangu abantu bafa mu Uganda babera benewe babanga bavude mu family gaga. Nent Frank taina China nayo laba nti wana wali very clean botambule yonna biri clear. So I want to acknowledge him nokumwebaza naffe tujja mukwatira ngawa katono tusobodde era mpola njogera nnyo naye. I chat with him once in a while nekola boti so tujja kubanga tupushinga bino laba. So I bought this t-shirt nali nvuga nenjisanga nakulebe ku dduuka nenyimirirawo nenjigula so nengamba naye kati mama we abana bete bafunako okisegera. So these are things we have to start discussing with the family on how to merchandise his, because he's an icon, he'll never go away. In a certain wanga bagula mitwalo 10 wala wagadde jingulako naye sigitunda kubanga nange najigula emusidanga mugisanga era njikuma is one of my most treasured things. Njikuma so buli wengenda buli jingulako wala nabagala jingulako emitwalo 5 sobola gitunda basi nawe nzijja kati twagala tukole ebintu ebyo batunda shazarede kwa waliwo abantu abazagala enkofiira bikibingi nnyo byali akoze. So the family can benefit n'abaana be legacy ng'ebintu bya Bob Marley mubiraba film zenye. I will be part of the people because I know part of the story. Time when it will come, we'll sit down with the family and we will tell his story in a very very good way. Nenga twagala nga tusoze kuteleza corporate na byona byaba nenga bafuna twagala bikola ate abantu babitwale bayifune bwere. So we will try to plan mu masa okuyambako abaana ne family tulabe how we can.
Before Moses Radio left us, atwalinga tulabanti was fighting for the copyright. I was talking with one of his friends, MC Fish. Nagamba nti singa Moses Radio wali singa tetulina federation. Ochogera coaches.
Copyright agenda kuyitibwa mzeba pioneer ba moving etekale mulaba yonna is because of mainly me. I wrote a document for the president, he wrote me a letter, everything that's happening. Ngawe nabagambye ebintu bino byo mu byali byonna natulanga nono musajja ne tunyumena kana ebuji lwachi batubba nnyo mubeereye mu agency because nakolanga mu agency ngamanyi mubeereye lwachi obusajja obatero kwa muzambu butwale nyimba zaffe ne mutuwa buswazi ngatoka night man butunafuna mwamanya ngatana bakumanyikwa nnyo tunafuna abantu no bulwani zatino buzoganya. So now the law is going to pass era otusa abantu ngai wale tebaliwo kwa nabo batekako ettaffaali. Radio has been fighting for copyright. We've been fighting for copyright for over more than 10 years okukyusa okulaba naye mukama tuyame kasi now is the floor parliament tugezaako okukyusa kulabe. So we do everything. Our federation batandika nga tebamanyi kye baliko, but right now we have lined. I've met Eddie Kenzo. We have met him in various several meetings with government officials to try and align them. Twagala bintu bya kavimbo bya kamera tugolaba kamera tandika kwogera byotamanyi kati nabo kati bali mu line tubumvira mu bire bya kavimbo twabijawo. So now we're working with them to make sure that moving forward ebiroto byaba radio ne byaffe fena tufune mu byo tukola ba red band no billionaire sente ze bazibba nnyo every day. His songs no nyamane
bamu 1225
ochegera kati byo twagala kujja kati we have to stop that kubono wino kubanga na kisono nnyo million nga 10 every time ku account ye ku music yayimba talina nakudda mukuyimba mulala kuba bamukube eyo no nyamane mumula buli ogendera buli zilingitoni zibayo naye tafunamu. So those are the things we want to try and streamline. No kati music wono imagine never Weasel imagine ochegera ochegera that's true but nenga it takes a process when a third world country netugeza kulwana to make sure anti legacy z'abasajja bano they stand to live.
Before I let others ask omuntu yena bwaba viriddwako omuntu we agamba there is that moment no gamba I wish this person was still alive. Kintu kyekyo kyogamba nti singa radio wali
man byonna gwe gaye
corona singa radio yaliwo ebiseera bya corona singa radio yaliwo netuva mu corona singa radio yaliwo kubanga yagamba Moses yangamba ekigambo kimu buli kintu kyolaba luyimba ne kana akazindalo luyimba eryetala luyimba ng'amaze okuyimba ebikola. So twafiirwa nnyo the great basudde bakafeero ne copyright eri tuyamba simanyi oba eriyamba bazzukulu baffe ne simanyi oba egera tuyamba 25,000 ze bamba naye nga tuze kusanyukirako leero radio ebibuuzo bya bujunze mujja kumbuuza nkya leero kyali mu nnomo. Yes
kibuuzo kyange kiri nti ebbanga emyaka giweze 6 naye okutandikira ddala gye byatandikira abantu balinga bejjumbira nnyo ekintu kino eno okwawukanako ne leero kuba mu kaseera kaleno emyaka egiyise mabega wali already wano wajjudde abayimbi bangi nnyo ng'enteekateeka zigenda mu maaso naye tulaba ekyo kiringa ekinafuye olowooza nsonga ki eyinza okuba nga
eno si show mbu tutimba show tuzze kusabira mugenzi. So abaagala bajja abataagala tebakola ki
tugamba
kusuubiza bagenda kujja obudde bukyali
tujja kujja n'enkya bajja kujja olunaku because he passed on tomorrow. So bajja kujja n'abasobodde abana tasote twagala ever kuleta negativity
bana mawulire tovala bana buju nyina record jenja okola bana mawulire buli omu okuntuluza mu kamera ye njagala soka ampereze ebibuzo byagenda okumbuza mubuze ebintu ebitakwatagana ne mukozesa abantu ensobi owulira kati goli mukubuza abantu tebaza eno soba agiranze kati nze nkuddamu kati eno soba agiranze.
Buju, to add on that, one of the stars in Uganda, Palaso, yesterday he was like complaining, why are we celebrating only radio instead of celebrating Radio and Weasel?
We celebrate both of them.
Weasel is
still alive, but we celebrate because he left. But we celebrate Weasel. Weasel is my very close. They also have another celebration. Silverback. I'll go there. I celebrate him every day. I be with him every day. I celebrate that guy is radio taliyo. So until mutu taliyo, we of course have to celebrate him. Every time I celebrate him, and I want to celebrate him because he also contributed. It was a duo. Of course, about but we still celebrate him. He's as equally as great as radio was. So to how they made that music, it was a time effort. So we know a collaboration to celebrating whatever tragically. So we are still hurting, but we still celebrate Weasel every day because it's part of a great combination. He will never also go away. It's part of radio's story. They are two. They are like twin brothers. It's Radio and Weasel. But now we are here because he passed on and we're celebrating him. It's one love. And we still celebrate. And we still celebrate him.
To the new generation, to the new generation,
yes.
Can you help us describe radio like in 5
you see, he's one of the most talented people we will ever have in this country for ages, not only now. He's going to stand like Philly again. Music again even when I'm not here, my great grandkids will be enjoying that music. Christmas radio every day music. That is how great he was. Thank you.